Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to prove about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about Euler's formula in here. That is about this one. Now, for this one, that is similar in here and here. Now, let's go to this one. So, this one, that is about e to the power of I multiplied by negative s. So, negative s we put in here and here. Next, we have the second formula in here. Cosine negative a equals to cosine a, and sine of negative a equals to negative sine a. So cosine of negative s, that is about this one. And we have cosine s. And the next one, that is about negative I sine s. Now, let's go to this one. So this one, that is about this one. And this one, that is about this one. This one minus this one. So we just have only cosine x plus cosine s over number 2. And this one we have 2 cosine s over number 2. And we have cosine s. Now let's go to the second one. This one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. Now, cosine s minus cosine s, we have 0. And now we just have only I sine s plus I sine s over 2i. So we have 2i sine s over 2i. And we have sine s. And here is the technique how to answer the questions. This is the end. Thank you for watching.